Here's how to change your password on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This changes your iPhone lock screen passcode. It's the code you use to unlock your iPhone, Face ID, and Touch ID. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your device. Enter your current passcode to continue. Tap Change Passcode to create a new one. Enter your new passcode. You can tap Passcode Options to choose a 4-digit, 6-digit, or custom alphanumeric code. Re-enter the new passcode to confirm. Your password is now changed. If you forgot your current passcode, you'll need to erase the iPhone using Apple ID Recovery to set a new one. Use a strong passcode and keep Face ID or Touch ID enabled for better security. And that's it. That's how you change the password on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.